11. How do I back up my Ether wallet? Is my Ether backed up with my Bitcoin? Is my wallet identifier the same for Ethereum? I have heard of Ethereum, but what are Geth, Mist, Ethminer, Mix? Is Ethereum based on Bitcoin? What's the future of Ethereum? Can Ethereum contracts pull data using third-party API? Is the content of the data and contracts sent over the Ethereum network encrypted? Can I store secrets or passwords on the Ethereum network? How will Ethereum combat centralization of mining pools? How will Ethereum deal with ever-increasing blockchain size?